Introducing the 2022 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.